Hi guys, welcome back to Sisters Forever, and today I'm going to show you a really delicious meat-filled bun recipe. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups flour, 1 cup milk, 1.5 teaspoon instant yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 tablespoon melted butter. Okay, for the mince filling, we have already prepared it ahead of time. Mince is also keema. For the mince/keema filling, you will need 250 grams mutton keema/mince, two onions chopped finely, 1/2 cup tomato puree. So basically, you could just take regular tomatoes and blend them up, or you could smash them. 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon pepper crushed, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1.5 teaspoon oil, salt, lime juice as needed, coriander leaves chopped. Dissolve yeast with sugar and lukewarm milk and let it rise. While we're waiting for the yeast mixture to rise, in a separate bowl, mix flour and salt. Add the yeast mixture and knead. It's getting doughy. Add the melted butter and oil. The dough should be soft and smooth. And now, grease a bowl. Put the dough in it and cover with cling foil and let it double in its volume. Once the dough has risen, punch down the air and knead for 2 to 3 minutes. Then divide into balls. Now you're also going to flatten each ball on your palm and place the mince stuffing. Whisk the egg and brush it on the buns, then top it off with sesame seeds. Now put it in the oven for 18 to 20 minutes. They look good. Ooh, looks like our meat bun is ready. Now what we also did is we divided our dough into 2 halves. So 1/2, as we showed you, we just did with meat and topped it off with sesame seeds. But the other half, as you can see, we actually added cheese with the mince mixture, and we topped it off with cheese instead of sesame seeds. Now it looks really good, and it tasted so good. And make sure to try this recipe, but also remember, it can be endless. Like, you can have it with Nutella, you can have it with jam. It's a good breakfast food. It was just so yummy. And if you let the dough rise for enough time, it'll make the crust of the bun really crunchy yet soft, and toasty in a way. So yeah, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I post another video. And make sure to share with friends and family.